I don't really feel like turning this camera around. I don't really know how to do it on an iPhone anyways, where you can flip back and forth while you're recording, because it's not like Snapchat. Anyways, today, YouTube, I'm gonna make y'all a quick video on how to get your exhaust looking brand new again, and what I use. So I already did the right side, as you could tell, and that's the left side. So you can see the difference for sure. Exhaust tip itself. And clean on. And you can tell that I tried to do at least the part that shows. I'm not done, I need to get, but look, it gets it that clean. It was that dirty to that. So let me show y'all what I use. So you can buy this at like Lowe's or Home Depot. It's called Barkeeper's Friend. As you can see, it's made of clean stainless steel. So let me show y'all this in action while I got y'all on video. So what you do, try to do this while holding the phone at the same time. So you put some on the rag, and I already wiped down this side with some spray, so I already, let me switch hands. I already pretty much wiped it down. So what you do is put it on your rag, and I noticed with the exhaust that the way the lines naturally moved anyways was side to side, so try to keep that side to side motion, or based on your exhaust tips, if you have aftermarket or just any car, really this will work on. If you just work with the lines that you already see naturally in the stainless steel, you see how dirty that is and how clean it already looks. So get yourself another rag. And wipe it off. Be careful not to scratch your paint with that stuff. It probably will leave some swirls in there, but they're easily taken care of with the buff. So yeah, I'm just giving y'all little examples of it on the tips, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it cleans that also. So let me flip this rag around. Put some on here again. Let me just show y'all how good this product works. Now this, I didn't really care about what direction I was going. Just gonna make this a quick video, so show y'all the difference in just a little bit. So do y'all see the difference, how clean that is? So yeah, once again, it's called Barkeeper's Friend, and you can get it at like a Lowe's or a Home Depot. So let me get this done, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to this channel, and peace.